In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task in Google Tasks on your phone. If you're looking for a quick, reliable way to keep track of what needs to get done, Google Tasks is a simple tool that integrates seamlessly with your Google account. Today we'll walk through creating a task from start to finish, keeping things clear and straightforward so you can follow along in real time. First, open the Google Tasks app on your phone. You'll recognize it by its clean, minimal interface. Give it a second to load so the app can refresh your lists. If you already keep multiple lists for different parts of your life, like work, home, or school, those will show up here. If you're brand new, you'll likely see a default list waiting for you. Next, tap the list where you want to add a task. Think of lists as folders for your to-dos. Choosing the right list up front makes everything easier to find later and helps you stay focused. For example, you might keep errands separate from project planning or personal reminders separate from team tasks. Pick the list that best matches what you're about to add. Now look for the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and tap it. This is the Add a Task button. It's usually at the lower right and it's hard to miss. Tapping it opens a simple entry box where you can quickly capture what you need to remember. This step is all about speed, getting your thought out of your head and into a place you trust. Type the task name, then tap Save. Aim for a short, clear, action-oriented title so you'll know exactly what to do later. For example, instead of Report, try Draft Weekly Report, or instead of Call, try Call the Contractor about Schedule. The more specific you are in the task name, the less thinking you'll have to do when you come back to it. When it looks good, hit Save and your new task will appear right in the list you chose. That's it. You've just created a task in Google Tasks. Keeping this process simple makes it effortless to capture things the moment they come up, which is the key to staying organized. You can repeat these steps anytime you think of something new. Open the app, choose the right list, tap the plus icon, type a clear task name, and save. With just a few taps, you'll build a reliable system that keeps your priorities front and center and your day on track.